Malaking inamin netong si Juan Gomez de Leaño sa isang panayam matapos nga tong di makapaglaro sa nagdaang dalawang laban ng Pilipinas kontra Guam. Yan ay matapos mang ilike ang video na ito, mag-subscribe sa ating channel at pakidamay na rin ang ating opisyal na Facebook page. Well, matapos nga tong mahigit sa 2 linggong pahinga na binigay ng PBA para dito sa naganap na dalawang laban ng Pilipinas kontra Guam, last Friday nga mga bulero, opisyal lang bumalik ang liga. Kung saan dyan unang nagtapatan itong kupunan ng Converge at Magnolia. At pawang dito, nagawa nga ng Fiber Rexers na matambakan ng 17 puntos ang Hotshots. Kaya naman sa isang panayam matapos ang laban, di naiwasan na matanong itong si Coach Delta Pineda regarding sa kanilang mga napag-usapan matapos ang first half.
So, kinausap ko sila yung result ng first half. So, 8 points. Then, tinignan namin ang stat. Some of our guys didn't contribute dun sa first half. So, even our bigs, especially Justin Aranya, talagang well taken on the defense. So, broken play muna kami. Yun ang inano ko. Direct to the post muna kami kay Aranya. Focus muna kami doon. Then if they go the ball, we need to gamble yung outside shooting namin. We need to take yung outside shot kasi ang ganda nung zone defense nila .
Samantala sa kabilang banda, sa nagdaang dalawang laban nga ng Pilipinas kontra Guam mga bulero, alam naman natin na bigo etong si Juan na makasama sa listahang binuo ni Cone. Pero sa isang panayam, sinabi nga nito na para sa kanya, masayang experience pa rin daw ang lahat ng nangyari.
But you know, the experience has been great. I love the guys. Like, we're all as a group, like, they know how to work together, and it's a great environment to be in. Everyone's just locked in, and you know, doing it just for the whole nation. So it's a fun group of guys to be with.
Pero maliban dito, matapos ang kanilang laban kontra Hotshots, may malaking inamin nga etong si Juan GDL matapos siyang di mapasama sa 12 players na nakalaro last window.
I'm used to it. I've been cut 3 times from the national team. So of course, that's added motivation for me. So I told myself going to the next games, I'm trying to continue to dominate the league, and just to be part of the pool and stuff, it's you know, it's a blessing just to be recognized by the whole squad, and especially Coach Stan. And that's what I said, just being part of the pool is already a blessing to me, but being cut, it's not a big deal to me, honestly. That's what I said, I got cut 3 times for national. It started from the under 18, so it's just more added fire and added motivation, you know, towards my career. So I don't really look at it like, yo, I'm down, I'm sad, I don't really look at it that way. So it's always added motivation.